your credit score has dropped below 720, then you need to learn the 7 steps to a 720 credit score, as it could be a sign of financial distress. Today we're going to talk with Kevin Heipel, who's a debt relief expert. He's also an attorney who's been featured in USA Today's Legal Elite and has helped thousands of good people get out of debt. In March, Kevin recently became the best-selling author on Amazon, and Kevin has a special offer for our viewers on how you can get a copy of his best-selling book, Get Off the Financial Roller Coaster. Kevin, thanks for being here.
Sure, thank you.
So let's talk about why is 720 such an important mark and why it's a problem to be under that number.
Well, it's an important mark because that's where you get the best interest rates. So anytime you drop below 720, you're going to pay a higher interest rate for your mortgage, your car loans, and your credit cards.
Well, then what's the first step to getting that 720 credit score?
The first step is you got to have the balance of your credit cards under 30%.
Okay.
Anytime that your balance is over 50%, it actually deducts from your credit score, so it's hurting you. Between 30 to 50% it's neutral, but once you get the balance under 30%, then it starts adding points to your credit score.
All right, then what if someone they just can't afford to get under that 30% number?
Yeah, I mean, if you can't pay down your credit cards right away to get it under 30%, then that's a sign of financial distress. And what you need to do is you need to look at a debt relief option.
What are some of the debt relief options that are available to people?
Well, when people come to us, we're going to look at credit counseling, we're going to look at debt settlement, loan modifications, and even consider bankruptcy.
What works best then for eliminating debt?
Well, it's always going to depend on their situation. It's going to depend on their income, their assets, what type of debts they have, where they're at in terms of their credit score. So what we're going to do is we're going to tailor the solution to fit their needs.
And if someone has filed bankruptcy, how quickly can they get to that 720 credit score?
Oh, within a year. I mean, sometimes bankruptcy is the first step because it wipes out the debt, and then you begin the other 6 steps to get to a 720. And if you follow our program, we've seen people within 1 year achieve the 720 credit score just 1 year after filing bankruptcy.
All right, and I like what you said too, that bankruptcy is not the only thing you do. You look at everyone's individual situation and determine what's best for them, and then make a decision with them together on how they can go about doing it. And it's so important to get them to that 720 credit score.
Absolutely.
It is such a great service that you offer. Your firm also, you have an A rating with the Better Business Bureau.
Yep.
You've helped thousands of people. You've actually even helped some people on our staff, so thank you for doing that because they're in such a better position now. We actually have a bunch of testimonials, but let's take a listen to one right now.
Okay.
Overwhelming debt. Very overwhelmed. I felt like I wasn't in control of my life. Then after I met with one of the counselors, I felt really great. I felt awesome because I finally knew there was a silver lining to my situation. They actually gave me so much freedom that I'm actually feel so free right now. It's just awesome. It's an awesome feeling not to be overwhelmed. They went way above the call of duty. They were awesome. And I would highly recommend them to everybody, which I do.
You know, I think that is an important part of what she says, just having that relief.
Oh, absolutely.
And people need that, and if they are struggling, they need to get a hold of you. And what you offer is different than what anyone else is offering. First of all, you have a money-back guarantee, so explain how that works.
Well, with any service that we offer, whether it's the 7 steps to a 720, debt settlement, or bankruptcy, we offer a money-back guarantee because we know there's some distrust out there when we're going to go down this path to financial recovery. And so if we put you in a bankruptcy, we're so confident that it's the right solution for you that we'll give you back your attorney fees if we don't get you out of the debt.
You offer such a wonderful service. Thank you for doing this. I know you've helped thousands of people because we hear from all of them almost, and it is such a great thing that you're doing, so thank you so much.